Hey Dave,
Hey.
what are you using right there?
Oh, this is my foldable Express 3000. It sucks.
Oh, well, okay. Well, maybe you can win a good gaming chair. That's vintage.
Yeah. Wait, I can win a new chair?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in.
Okay, yeah, let's test some chairs out.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey Myron,
Hey, what's up?
we got a test or a challenge. Wait a minute, is that the Grandpa 3000?
What challenge is this? I mean, don't make fun of my chair. I mean, like, I've used it since I got here, but it's not that bad.
To win a really comfortable gaming chair.
Any challenge against Dave, I'm definitely winning. Yo, I'm down.
All right, let's do this.
Do it. All right, guys, today we have our first sit and run challenge here. Our producer has chosen 4 different gaming chairs, which are really popular at Canada Computers. When it comes to features and benefits of a gaming chair, most of you at home are only shown photos and description of chairs, but you can't really get a personal feel or touch of the chair. Questions like, how's the build? How's the leather? And can it even run smoothly? These are all questions we have had in the past, and we're sure most of you at home do too. So today we're using these chairs for our upcoming challenge, and we'll tell you the difference between them with Dave and I's own personal experience.
Jackie said that whoever wins this challenge gets a new chair. If that's true, I want to win because I'm not going back to my foldable Express 3000.
There is no way you are winning this challenge. Game on, let's see who wins.
Our team will choose between 4 gaming chairs that are popular among Canada Computers. The brands selected are Armoury RGB, iCAN Premium Series, Corsair T3 Rush, and the AK Racing Player Series.
I guess we're trying to choose the chair that has the best speed. Do we have to be sitting in it normally? However I want. Okay. Ooh, this one even has a footrest. Imagine me trying to race with a footrest.
yeah.
The Icann feels very firm. Let's see this AK Racing. Ooh, the cushions on this one are actually pretty nice.
Okay, well, this is the thinnest one, but like I'm puny, so. No, don't spit. Wait, I can't get up. It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
Kind of wish this one was a bit higher though. You can't go wrong with the RGB, you know?
Yeah.
Whoa, this one could go pretty low.
Yeah, very chill gaming, very serious gaming.
I'm liking this challenge.
Oh, I'm ready.
I'm ready for this challenge.
ready.
I think I could do this.
The rules for this game are simple. Race to the end of the finish line. To make things harder, we have added a series of gaming-related questions. Each contestant will choose their chair to go to battle for each round. If the question is answered incorrectly, the chance is then given to the next person to answer correctly until the answer is found. Question 1. What game is this?
Oh, what you said?
Wait, that's the answer. The answer is CSGO. Oh, that's easy.
Question 2. What game is this?
Oh. Hey. I'm guessing Dragon Age Inquisition. You can't move?
Question 1. Which game was not released in 2022?
Is C Outriders, because I played those 2.
Played both those games. I knew it. I just didn't make it in time.
Question 2. Which is the best-selling video game of all time?
Wait!
He wasn't on this chair.
I know it. I'm gonna guess B, Minecraft.
He cheated. He fell off the chair.
Question 3. Where does Super Mario World take place?
Carry me to victory.
No. No.
Carry me to victory.
For certain, B, Mushroom Kingdom.
That was my guess.
That was my guess too.
It's Yoshi's Island, right? Wait, no, that's not fair.
I win by default. It is A, Dinosaur Island. Yay! I didn't know that. That's a good question.
Question 1. What is the fictional language in The Sims?
Oh, there's no more choice. I don't even know if I know this. Okay, I played The Sims when I was like 9. I think like 9. Simulism.
Third letter M.
Simlish?
Yeah, you got it right.
Simlish?
Question 2. How many hours in a day does the planet Sarah have in Gears of War?
I'm gonna win.
8 hours in one day.
69.
A few moments later.
Well, there's 24 hours in our day, so 25 hours?
You're so close.
27 hours.
You're so close.
Is it 26?
Yeah.
Question 3. The word Pokemon is generally understood to be a translation of?
Easy dub. Pocket monster. Pocket monster.
And the winner of the Gaming Chair Challenge, Myron. Congratulations on your brand new chair for your desk or home.
Twice in a row. Twice in a row. We've tried 4 different gaming chairs in this challenge, and now we want to share with you the chairs that we're most satisfied with.
I picked the Armory because of a few things. The first thing is a 180-degree reclining feature. Perfect for taking naps in between rounds and in your Zoom meetings. Ugh. It also has 3D adjustable. Perfect for all comfort of gaming, whether you're a keyboard player, controller player, mobile gamer, or even when you're eating and watching some anime. The pillow support is also great, preventing what is known as tech neck. And the lumbar support is great for lower back pain, so you can still hit that deadlift PR. Size-wise, it's 10% wider and 20% deeper than your average gaming chair. Only if actually iCAN is wider by 2 centimeters, which I've been told isn't long, but whatever. And the best part of this feature, RGB. Come on. Everyone knows RGB plus 10 attributes. I mean, you can't go wrong. All jokes aside, I really do like the RGB. I think it looks nice in any gaming setup.
All right, when it comes to my choice, I chose the iCAN Premium Gaming Chair. I mean, from the first, looking at it, it looks plain and simple, but honestly, that's what makes it nice. I know we did a challenge where we had to speed our way from the whole set, and the point of the challenge was not the fastest chair. I chose a chair that I found the most comfortable. This chair was sturdy and firm. I mean, look at these armrests. I can change it into so many different directions for what they call 40 chest or arm rotation. It can do in 6 different ways. I mean, not many gaming chairs can do that.
No,
I think
I'm only 3D.
his can only do a few. They can go up and down, left and right. And these small features make it a lot better. I mean, it does have a decent lumbar support and a good headrest, and you can't go wrong with that. I love that part about it. And you can't forget about the footrest. I mean, if this is supposed to be something that I'm gonna be using for my desk or at home, I mean, this is a no-brainer. I can imagine myself just lying back, pulled back, playing games on my phone, and just relaxing and enjoying my day. That's something that with a lot of chairs you just don't get. And that's why I like it.
Yeah, that
I mean,
footrest is really
I
nice.
don't need the RGB, and I'm thinking more about practicality and comfort rather than just all the frills, but that's personally me. With all said and done, I will still choose this chair. It might not be the fastest, but I'm not looking for some chair to be the fastest chair.
That's it for today's challenge. We'll have some more fun challenges in the future. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Let us know if you have any of these chairs in the comments and let us know your own thoughts on them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're still using a bad chair like us, try a gaming chair. Whether you're a gamer or just sitting in front of a computer for a long day, a gaming chair could provide you with comfort and well support for your body. All chair products shown in the video is found in the Canon's computer store, or check it out in the link below. See you guys in the next video.